Kuno perlu tentang idan hanika Genfit Gym. Tentang si how to perform a perfect deadlift, like perfect form. Untuk perfect form jongkan deadlift kadai compound movement kakta ya bonteli ki muscle. Le ngan pen fi kumno bade bal mo. Nikong ya kani jing yang lepi kan long kumne. Pi ni kusajuti un kat ni bar mo. And then kani ka jingyang du fi bat ka jingjengai ka long ka kani ka hips position ka hips of fi kani ban long ka position joka deadlift mo. And then fi ada leg jo athletic steps the balai kani ban activate kini lats of fi mo. Kumde ban leg tu de ban activate kini lats, activate, keep your chest up, always keep your chest up mo. De ban primi ka chest strong kani nadian lower back kani ka lower back mo. Keep your chest up and then lower back. And then when you go down, nice squat mo, nice squat. Push your hips back, push all the way back, and then grab the barbell, fully grab, and then you can knees but tak kena apa mo, you can knees, okay, tak kena apa. Kena kaki jok fir di balong habar kena kejat mo, mende ban wide hand ru, mende ban close hand ru, habar jong kena kejat mo, and then kini knees okay, tak kena apa, chest up, and also you kena clean jok fir di balik neutral kini mo, one leg kena advice with your neck pain. Fully grab, you look take steps and then all the way up, just go. And then you do baru, penhabu, jangan kejap bed. Same thing, but feel like macam sejerong, capor kena belong kumjo. And again up and down. Mau. Okay, katu kau deka perfect form jangan left, kublai shibon. Baro kumtu hilai ngap ni ya ka deadlift perfect form jong deadlift ngai kerteng ben so I'm a certified trainer ngai kai bun teli ki training apart from bodybuilding and fitness, that is strength conditioning, animal flow and functional training, and bun jadu also actually ki rehab training lu mo ki ba few injuries kum kita ter lada fikwa aban yo kita ki training fila aban hakani ka Genfit Gym kadan ha molai nungkwar above bazar India tamunto perlo te kulishbon but select and subscribe kani ka channel jangan